number 1, Ruby De Leon.
Ruby De Leon, patuloy pa rin yung magaganda niyang serve. Carla Bello ngayon, setting up Phil Cainglet. Charo. Paning. Carla Bello on the attack. Up na Sue Roses. Okay lang matawagan ng double si Sue. Hindi naman setter yan. Pero utility yan.
Natawa rin si Sue.
12-9. Smart up. Bello serving. Into the net.
Errors not welcome by Coach Oliver Almaz.
So from one former Atenean to another, Bello now it's Charo Soriano. Better serve, Jen Reyes. In the air now for Maika Morada. Talagang lakas ng palo nito eh.
Saka yung approach nanggagaling sa likod ng court.
You see it one more time. Our slow-mo replay brought to us by Rexona Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down. Parang, saan galing yun?
Well, Meralco will be needing more of that.
Coco Wang. De Leon now on the combination. And that is returned but out from Panay Mercado. So kung tanong dito kay Coco Wang, ano mo si Wang Zuzu at si Wang Julin? Yung mga malalaking player na Wang ang apelyido.
Serving.
14-11. Si Phil Cainglet. Hindi ko nababanggitin yung sa sinabi ni Barry. Ay! Nika Guliman!
Guliman making her presence. Kaya kanina, itong si Nika, pasulpot-sulpot lang eh.
Apat ang abante na Smart. Roses serving. Carla Bello. Masyadong malapit para dito kay Maika Morada. Reyes. Bello. It's too near again para dito kay Empenetrante. Ruby! And that will be net violation. Nanggigil si Ruby at naibir na sa sarili.
Yan ba yung ginawa?
Into the antenna goes the serve of Maika Morada. At apat ang abante ng